Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Arduino Uno is probably one of the most versatile and popular microcontroller boards out there, perfect for both beginners and experienced makers. Its simplicity and extensive community support make it an ideal choice for a wide range of projects, from simple LED control to complex robotics. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Arduino Uno, exploring its features, capabilities, and why it's a must-have for anyone interested in electronics and programming. Number 5. ELEGOO Uno R3 Board. This board features clear prints on the female header connector, making it easier to use wires. It's designed for precision and ease of use, ensuring a smooth experience for users. The ELEGOO Uno R3 board now uses an 16U2 chip, replacing the ATmega 8U2. This upgrade provides faster transfer rates and more memory, improving overall performance. It is controlled by the ATmega Plus 328P chip, the same as the Arduino Uno R3. This ensures compatibility and reliable performance for your projects. This board is 100% compatible with the Arduino IDE. You can easily upload your sketches and start your projects without any compatibility issues. We always care about the customer experience. We continuously improve the product function details to meet your needs. What we like. This board features precise female header connectors, making wiring a breeze. It also boasts faster transfer rates and is fully compatible with the Arduino IDE. If you are a beginner looking for a reliable and easy-to-use board, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is exactly as described and works perfectly. Arduino Uno is a great board for beginners. The board is well made and functions as expected. Number 4. Arduino Uno Wi-Fi REV2, ABX00021. This is the perfect entry point for basic IoT applications. It has the familiar Uno form factor, making it easy to get started. You can build sensor networks or create Bluetooth devices with it. Connect your projects to Wi-Fi effortlessly with the built-in module. It also supports Bluetooth and Bluetooth Low Energy for wireless communication. The integrated chip ensures secure data exchanges. It's powered by a new 8-bit microcontroller, providing improved functionality. It's fully compatible with previous Uno sketches, so you can easily adapt your existing projects. It comes equipped with an IMU sensor, allowing you to measure acceleration and movement. This makes it perfect for motion-based projects and monitoring applications. It features multiple digital and analog pins, along with various connection options. You can power it via USB, an AC adapter, or a battery, offering flexibility for your projects. What we like. This board comes with built-in Wi-Fi and secure connectivity, perfect for IoT projects. It also includes an IMU sensor for motion detection. If you are looking to create connected devices or experiment with motion sensing, this is the board for you. What people say. The Arduino Uno is a versatile and easy-to-use microcontroller board. It's great for beginners and experienced users alike. The board has a good number of digital and analog pins. Number 3. GR Monster Arduino Kit, Robotics and IoT. Introducing the GR Monster Kit, a comprehensive Arduino-compatible development set. It features 5 powerful main boards, perfect for a wide range of robotics and IoT projects. This kit empowers you to bring your ideas to life. Explore over 25 sensor modules, including RFID, ultrasonic sensors, and more. With this kit, you can build smart home devices and remote-controlled robots. It includes everything you need to get started. The kit includes a 16GB USB drive with guides, tutorials, and datasheets. It's designed for both beginners and experienced makers. You'll be building projects quickly and easily. All 65+ components arrive in a durable organizer toolbox. This ensures safe transport and tidy storage. Everything is well organized for your convenience. Enjoy effective USA-based technical support and a lifetime replacement guarantee. The manufacturer is committed to your satisfaction. They ensure a seamless and rewarding learning experience. What we like. This kit is designed for robotics and IoT development, offering a wide array of components and boards. It includes beginner-friendly tutorials to help you get started. If you have a passion for robotics or IoT and want a complete package, consider this kit. What people say. It worked flawlessly. I tested the Uno and Mega boards and they seems to work fine with the Arduino program, just needed the driver. It has so much awesome stuff in it that I may never be able to use it all. Number 2. WWZMDiB CNC Shield V3 Expansion Board. This is the CNC Shield V3, an engraving machine expansion board. It's designed to work with a 4988 or DRV8825 stepper drivers. This board is perfect for your Arduino-based projects. The board operates on a 12-36V DC input voltage. This allows it to handle a variety of power requirements. It's a versatile solution for your CNC needs. Each stepper motor only needs 2 I/O ports. With this design, 6 I/O ports can manage 3 stepper motors. It's very convenient to use and simplifies your setup. For wiring, 2A and 2B form one group, and 1A and 1B form another. To change the motor's direction, simply swap the positions of one group. This makes it easy to customize the motor's behavior. This board is compatible with GRBL 0.9. GRBL is open-source firmware that runs on an Arduino Uno. It translates G-code commands into stepper signals, making it easy to control your CNC machine. What we like. This board is a CNC Shield V3, compatible with various stepper drivers. It's also GRBL 0.9 compatible, making it ideal for CNC projects. If you are interested in building a CNC machine or 3D printer, this is a great option. What people say. Great little controller for setting up a 3-axis machine. I wanted to set up a test bed for some code programming and had a few stepper motors and an extra Uno R3. Very easy to install and set up. You do need to purchase the stepper controller separately. So far no complaints and no compatibility issues. Just as described and perfect for what I needed it for. This daughter board will save you so much time, effort, and space for a relatively small fee. Worked perfectly with my purple stepper drivers. Just make sure to orient them correctly for your stepper drivers of choice. Number 1. GR Colossus Kit for Arduino, 5 boards, 30 sensors. This is the ultimate kit for anyone interested in Arduino. It comes with everything you need to get started, including 5 main boards and over 100 parts. It's perfect for all skill levels. With integrated ESP32 and ESP8266, this kit lets you explore advanced wireless and IoT projects. You can build home automation systems, robots, and remote control applications with ease. The possibilities are endless. Explore a wide range of projects with 30 diverse sensors and 10 essential shields. It also includes a camera, stepper motors, and a robot car chassis. This kit provides everything you need to build tangible projects. Learn and build with confidence using the included tutorials and guides. You'll get access to a cloud drive and a 16G USB flash drive packed with resources. These resources will help you get started quickly. Enjoy peace of mind with US-based customer support and a lifetime replacement guarantee. All the components are organized in a durable Husky toolbox. It ensures protection and easy transport. What we like. This kit offers an extensive component set, with a focus on wireless and IoT projects. It even includes a robot car chassis for tangible builds. If you like to build complex projects and want to create your own autonomous vehicle, you should consider this kit. What people say. This kit is absolutely loaded with sensors and all of the connection components needed to get right to building. This is an amazing kit. It comes with great tutorials and libraries to get you on your way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.